Hello and welcome to this short video. My name is Masternode Network, CEO of Cryptoselfmade, and in this video you'll learn about what a Masternode is and how you can immediately activate your Masternodes on our platform with just one click. Before I'm going to show you how to activate your Masternodes on our platform, let me explain to you the functions of a Masternode. What is a Masternode? Masternodes play an important role in their respective network. There are several coins offering a Masternode, as they provide the infrastructure that makes coins' unique features possible. Basically, Masternodes are online computers that run the software and help the network make important decisions and perform functions such as confirming transactions for InstaSend, coordinating the mixing of coins for private send, and coordinating with budget proposals. A Masternode, like Polis coin for example, requires you to deposit at least 1000 Polis coins for security, a dedicated IP address, and a 24/7 online connection. Depending on the coin, a percentage of the block revenue will be paid to the Masternode on each block, which will be paid one after the other. Masternodes enable these services: InstaSend, instant transactions. Bitcoin, for example, requires an average of 10 minutes for a single confirmation. Private send, these are anonymous transactions. Transactions in the Bitcoin network are public and traceable. Only the identity behind the respective addresses is basically anonymous. And the last one is Decentralized Governance structure. It's controlling Masternodes on blockchain fund development. Bitcoin is controlled by a small numbers of miners and funded by third parties with financial self-interest. Masternodes have a voting right in budget decisions. Each Masternode has a right that can be used to make budget decisions on other important decisions that affect the future of the coin. So now I will show you how to activate a Masternode. First, you open Finances in the left menu. It's important that you buy credits for the Masternode hosting, so you click on Purchase Credits. You need credits to activate your Masternode, so one credit is one activation for 30 days of monitoring and chat support. So you need to send exactly 0.00204,300 bitcoins to this wallet. Wait for 3 confirmations after your payment and you'll see the credits appear above this form below on this page. Fourth, buy the required coin amount on the exchange while you wait for the transaction confirmations. Number 5, install and synchronize the wallet. According to the coin, it should take between some minutes and some hours. Number 6, send the coins to the synchronized wallet and wait for 20 confirmations. Number 7, generate the Masternode outputs in the debug console as shown in the Academy videos. Number 8, send the outputs to the support via the support chat. Number 9, in the next minutes you will receive the configuration code for the Masternode config file. Number 10, activate your Masternode. Number 11, the monitoring will detect the Masternodes in the next 5 minutes and will change the status to active. Okay, that's it. Thanks for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. If you have any questions, you can click here on help and support and we will answer you all your questions. See you in the next video. Bye bye.